What's up guys, it's Galactic 3D here, and today I'm going to be showing you the build video for this custom 3D printed helmet. So to start things off, I 3D printed this adjustable headband. Now I've never built a helmet before, and I wasn't quite sure how to design it to custom fit my head. So to fix this problem, I made an adjustable headband. Now this headband has a slot that's built into the front. And this slot, as you will see here, fits right into the front of the helmet. So basically, I slide this into the slot, and I can adjust the size to whatever I'd like. This build took about 7 days to print fully. There were 6 pieces: the main helmet, the front grille, and 4 top head pieces that were added for extra detail. As I mentioned earlier, here is the headband slot on the inside of the helmet. Now this headband is one of a kind. I've never seen it done in any other helmets before, and I really hope other people take up making these headbands because it definitely makes it so that more people can wear helmets like this. And here we have our finished helmet. I really enjoyed designing and building this. I will definitely be doing more helmets in the future. I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe, and comment if you'd like to see more helmets, and honestly comment what kind of helmets you'd like to see. Check out our other videos at Galactic 3D, and thank you for watching.